So picture this piece on a 72-inch fan on a locomotive. And the customer came to us with issues that they were having with hairline cracks down at the bottom of the base here. So this was originally being cast using a sand casting process. Part of the issue that the customer was having was they were casting it from the tip. What Batesville Products did was flip it upside down, have the metal feed through the thick section, really eliminating the turbulence that they were seeing in this area, creating the hairline cracks.
Where we really excel is at conversions.
In fact, you might be making something out of sheet metal that should be a permanent mold aluminum casting.
This part had a dozen pieces that were welded together, a lot of machining, a lot of complex things going on here. We made it a one-piece casting.
Places 12 fabricated welded parts.
And the amazing part is we took out 75% of the cost on this part. We ended up with one really happy customer. We are a full-service manufacturer located in southeastern Indiana, and we specialize in permanent mold aluminum castings. We're one of the few foundries in the United States that can pour zinc and aluminum in the permanent mold process. The company has been in business over 65 years.
What's great about working with us is we give you a finished part. We design, we tool, we pour, we machine, and we finish.
It's a precision casting where you can hold tighter tolerances, get nicer surface finishes, and get repeatability.
Permanent mold casting is closer to the die casting surface finish, but you're getting a lot closer to a sand casting cost.
People want that denser casting so that they're not having those air pockets when they go into machining.
What makes us unique here at Batesville Aluminum Castings is we use 3 types of pouring methods.
We have the static standard, that's an old tradition. We have tilt pour, and we have reverse tilt pour. We're one of the few foundries in the United States that do all 3 in-house. Tilt pour is pretty easy to understand. Basically, it's like pouring a beer down the side of a glass. You get less turbulence, you get less head. Take a beer, pour it down the center of a glass. All know you get that turbulence, you get that big head of foam.
The more turbulence you get, the more air pockets are created.
You don't want that in your casting because that is gas, that's porosity.
And you don't get as dense or as hard of a part.
We have a complete machine shop. It's state-of-the-art. It's as nice equipment as any machine shop in the country. We do all the secondaries as far as the polishing, powder coating, all the add-ons, and we do that all from one source.
Quality's a 10. I mean, quality's built into our process, and we control it too as a verification.
So what I'll help you do is really understand where your product fits and what process your product fits in.
Whether it's die casting, sand casting, permanent mold, or investment casting, we're the experts. We do castings 24 hours a day, 6 days a week. We'll look at your drawings, we'll look at your models, and we'll tell you, yeah, that's a good part for us, or no, that might be better as another process altogether, and we might even recommend somebody, but let us help you. I am Tim Weber from Batesville Products, and we are experts in aluminum castings.